3 with an optional 4 ingredients to make. We're going to be using 1 pack of Funfetti mix for each flavor of cookie and 1 container of Cool Whip. We're also going to be putting 1 egg in each batch and with optional powdered sugar on top. So step number 1, we need to put the Cool Whip inside this
container.
Yeah.
Whatever container you use.
You make sure it's big enough to hold 1 batch. And then we're going to put 1 egg. Make sure not to make too big of a mess. Like I just did.
And now, put in the Funfetti. First we're gonna do chocolate and then vanilla. You pour the whole bag into the egg and the Cool Whip. Then you mix it around. It won't work, Mom.
Oh gosh. With all those steps, we're gonna put it in the oven for 12 minutes on 350 heat. It's hot.
So when we took out the chocolate cookies out of the oven, they were flat. But when we took out the vanilla cookies, they were taller. What we did for the vanilla cookies is different than we did with the chocolate cookies. So for the vanilla cookies, we put 1/4 of a cup of flour in them. So now it's time for the taste test, my favorite part. Starting off with the chocolate cookie. This one's a little bit crispier. I like this one. This one was a little bit more chewy and more doughy. This one is more like bland and vanilla. So I like this one better. I didn't mean bland. I meant it was very like flavorful. They were both really flavorful, but I like the vanilla one better.
I like it. A little bit chewy, but I like that. This one's messy. This one's good, but I like the other one better.
So here we have the vanilla one. A little crunchy on the bottom. Flavor's really good. texture is very nice. Okay, here's the chocolate one. The chocolate one could be cooked for a little bit longer. It's a little mushy on the inside. That really just depends how you like your cookie. The outside's very crunchy, and it provides for like a, I don't know, it's good. The flavor is very nice on this one too.